Our new Sydney studio shows our dedication to innovation and excellence.
We approach the construction of this space in the same way we would for any of our clients. We're committed to higher standards of quality and safety, and our rigorous planning and construction methodology really support that.
What was highlighted to us throughout the process was the value of our integrated delivery methodology, which is an end-to-end process where there's no knowledge loss, and it means that what was designed is actually delivered.
Early integration of design and construction was critical, and Spaceful's integrated model was specifically designed to facilitate this seamless collaboration.
Our vision at Spaceful is that we revolutionize the way people work. So we wanted to make sure that we embody this into our Sydney studio as well.
What's also very important to consider, of course, is our staff. We interviewed all of our staff to find out all the things that were important to them so that we could integrate that into the final outcome.
It's so important to first truly understand how people work before you start designing where people work.
The way we work was critical to the design and layout of the space, which is agile, flexible, and collaborative.
So what prompted the move was that we'd outgrown our existing space. When we're setting up our office space, we consider our clients firstly, and majority of our clients are located in CBD locations, so it makes sense that we're situated nearby them. We chose this building because of its bespoke fit-out potential. It has brilliant end-of-trip facilities, and it has a wonderful rooftop terrace, which doubles as an event space.
We wanted to create a space where we could bring clients in and involve them in the design process. We really enjoy seeing their reactions when they get tactile with all of our sampling. All the finishes were selected based upon Spaceful's branding palette. So we've got glass bricks in the entry area, we've got timber finishes to contrast concrete flooring, plaster through the curves. The other inspiration behind our design was the Spaceful monogram, which we've etched into the flooring and set in brass. And the other area we have the Spaceful monogram is in the boardroom, where we've cut it out into light fittings. A custom sofa connects to our glass reception counter. We also wanted to demonstrate the kinds of finishes that clients can experience in their own workplace.
When we did the workplace strategy for ourselves, we actually took the opportunity to push the boundaries a bit further than we would do with our clients. So we could experiment with new tools, with new ways of working, technology that we wanted to implement, so we know what works best for our clients.
It was important to us that the building would support a sustainable design and innovative technology.
We use the latest technology in the space because it really facilitates people doing their best work. Technology optimises people's productivity, so it's really important we seamlessly integrate that into the space.
We installed a desk booking system because it gives us wonderful information about how the workplace is being utilised.
And also allows any of our interstate staff to log in and book a room or a desk before flying in for the day.
The moment you enter our workplace, you are greeted by one of our core values, create energy. You're entering into our Spaceful Academy.
So the idea of the screen was we could bring clients in and they can look at 3D renders of their future office space. They could really get a feel for how the space is going to look, almost life size. We've also got mics, speakers and a camera. So if we do a town hall event, we can have people join virtually.
It's such a great multi-purpose space. You can feel the energy.
In the boardroom, we've got a table-mounted camera. That uses AI to detect faces that are in the room, and it puts each of those faces in its own little box, rather than just looking at one great big room with a whole bunch of tiny little faces. We've also installed a circadian lighting system. So it's a connected lighting system. We can bump the lighting up or down remotely. And we can also track the utilisation of the space. We can track indoor air quality. Being a circadian lighting system, the light varies throughout the day, and that supports the natural circadian rhythms in our bodies. So it's a really good way of bringing nature indoors.
We began the delivery process with comprehensive stakeholder engagement, bringing together architects, engineers, and all key personnel from the outset. It gave us an opportunity to address any potential challenges proactively.
It was important that the building that we chose has a 5-star Green Star rating and a 5-star NABERS rating.
Sustainability is important to us. We set up on-site recycling. Also, high-performance insulation was utilised to minimise energy loss throughout the space.
Throughout our new studio, we've tried to use really new and innovative products. One of the newer products we've used is cork. It has fantastic acoustic properties and it is environmentally sustainable.
This project was unique in that we were the delivery team, but we were also the client. Like any project, it was really inspiring to see the designs and the 3D renders and all that hard work come to life.
From the use of the most innovative technologies, right down to the smallest of details, nothing is overlooked, as it wouldn't be for our clients.
We left room so we can continue to innovate and revolutionize the way we work in order to improve the services we deliver to our clients even further.
Our mission is to challenge today's workplace methods to uncover how and where people perform best.